Okay, everybody, thanks for coming back here. We can talk on the stream now about what exactly is going on out there in a little bit more depth. All right, got a little bit more time here to chat with you. So we're watching the storm not lose its strength as the sun angle is getting lower and lower. I mean, it's 7:32 right now. Yesterday at this point in time, the storms that were popped because of the warming of the day and the humidity in the air were all in the process of fading. Well, right now, I just showed you that situation down around, I'll say, pushing in the direction of Atlantic City. That is one strong line right there. Look at all the lightning strikes. Max, if you've got the helm back there, can you measure this box and just give me the number of lightning strikes we've got just within the tail end of this? There's actually two different low pressure systems. So we've got one low pressure system centered about here. That's been the main driver today. This is a secondary low. So often we say a secondary low, and you think, well, it doesn't look to be nearly as strong. Well, I mean, this one is strong, plenty strong. 637 strikes within this low pressure system within 15 minutes. I mean, it's a light show down there, and that is moving into our area. All right, let's move it forward, and we'll zoom in tight here once again. So, right, there's Philadelphia. It's not right there yet, but again, those humps are always a bad sign, and it could lead to something bigger. Right now, you've got those winds that are gusting at potentially 60 miles per hour or more. You've got some hail mixed in there as well, possibly for some twist. Yeah, it's out there. As a matter of fact, Ocean County, Max, you're at the helm, I know, so just whisper in my ear if you don't mind. Ocean County's tornado watch until 8 p.m. or is it later? Until 10 p.m. tonight. All right, and it's because of a line like this. I mean, this is uncanny. Hey, it's in effect until 10 p.m., and sure enough, we're watching this potentially move into the area around the Jersey Shore around 10 p.m. So we will watch all of that. Right now, it would be Philadelphia first, and then moving into our area. All right, let's move forward, though, and show you what else we have to talk about. We said big rainfall numbers. Rainfall is going to be one of the big stories here, and these little flashes of purple. Max, can you click on this up here, which is around Sullivan and Ulster County? Right up around Liberty. What do you get when you click on that right in the center of it? Should be probably close to 5 inches, 4.1. Same thing down here around Mount Olive, pushing out towards the western fringes of New Jersey, 5.7 inches there, a 6.6 the minute you go over the border in the direction of Allentown. But notice, nothing out on Long Island. All right, really not much of anything for the Jersey Shore yet. But I think for both of you, your biggest rainfall and the problems associated with it would be taking place tonight and maybe even into early tomorrow morning for places like the East End. Let me show you how this is all going to work out. So we talk about two low pressure systems developing. All right. By the time you get to 1:30 a.m., that secondary low has pushed off basically due south of New York City. Now, it all depends on where it stops its push off to the east because we believe this is going to start doing one of these, almost like a pinwheel effect, and this will start traveling due north. Wherever that happens, hear me on this, wherever that happens, you're going to develop a line of showers and storms that will go for a number of hours. I mean, this is called training showers and storms. Watch as it moves up. See that? Just pulls that moisture with it. Look at that big, long line going out into the ocean. Well, if that's over land, the numbers can be very large. All right? And eventually, these two kind of merge into one. Watch this. All right? Now, this is one of the big players. And what happens with your Wednesday? Now it looks like it comes back to the area instead of exiting. And then by later in the day, Thursday, finally it pushes out here. And then you can kind of dust your hands of the whole thing. But until then, we got to just remain on alert. Here's one of the models. All right, this is the European. And I love showing this model because after Superstorm Sandy, the European was the superstar of that storm. It really nailed it perfectly. Everybody knows, hey, what does the European say? It's the question I get asked more than anything during a winter storm or a summer storm or a tropical storm. What does the European say? The European says most of the area falls in a 1 to 3 inch range, and I'm on board with that. The European also says there's going to be an area where the heaviest band sets up that could potentially see double that. This is projecting 6.8 from Bridgeport, Connecticut, into portions of Litchfield County. Wouldn't that be something? But also, that could set up more to the west. It could set up more to the east. That's one computer model, all right? The graph is saying a similar setup, all right? Like a 1 to 3 inch range for anybody. But notice, they're seeing that flash of yellow way out by Rhode Island, but they're still picking up maybe 4.1 in Montauk. Maybe that's going to be a little bit more to the east, but it's just going to fluctuate. So what I take from all of this is, overall, everything I'm showing you is saying anybody has a chance for in and around that 1 to 3 inch range. But wherever that band sets up, here or here or here, that's where you're going to find the big numbers. I don't think it's going to be widespread, 4 to 6 inches of rain, but I think there will be some spots that see it. This is how the graph sees it. All right, as I look ahead, the severe concerns, all right? We have a severe thunderstorm watch for basically all of New Jersey, including portions of the lower Hudson Valley. There's Orange County and there's Rockland County. But as you get into Ocean County, now it's not just a severe thunderstorm watch, it's also a tornado watch until 10 p.m. The volatility doesn't disappear once the sun goes down, not with a setup like this. These two battling low pressure systems could just continue to give us tough weather as we push into the nighttime hours. So you can clearly see, right? I mean, this is pretty easy, right? There's your counterclockwise circulation with one low pressure system, all right? This is showing now Wednesday at 7 p.m. So what I want to show you is when it's finally going to leave. I think you got to keep at least on the table this possibility for severe weather right through your night into your day tomorrow. But by Wednesday, 7 p.m., there's that low, all right, still with us, so it still circulates in some wet weather. Here we go now into Thursday. Now you see your circulation here. Now it's more offshore. That's a good thing. Let's get it more and more offshore, and it will be a much better situation. I'm going to leave you guys with this, all right? Your day on Wednesday. I keep the chance for showers and storms in there, some of which on a more isolated basis will still be heavy. Not like what we've been dealing with today, but I think it's still out there. All right, so Wednesday is the first alert weather day. The biggest concern I have for Wednesday is more flash flooding. Your ground is entirely saturated in spots. More rain causes more problems. You get to Thursday. Yes, there's a chance for rain on Thursday. I do not see that as a severe weather day. I'll keep an eye on it for you. You betcha I will. And then you get to Friday, slight little chance, just a slight chance. 83, I think it's a good-looking day for Friday. Saturday looks pleasant. You know what? Sunday. This is a good bit of news to share with you because Sunday I saw as a wet portion of the weekend, and now all the models are suggesting, and my guidance is telling me that should be dry for now. So thus far, they've been performing pretty darn well. So I'm buying into that. I'm on board. And I think Monday is when we wait for that chance for rain to return. It's around a 40% chance on Monday, 60% chance on Tuesday. But for right here, right now, we just walked you through where the worst weather is, and we showed you where it's going to be moving. And because of that, the entire area is under a flood watch. Think about that. The entire area under the potential for flooding until tomorrow night, probably around 8 o'clock. That's your 7-day forecast, everybody. I want you to take one more look at that while we get you back to the program you were waiting for. And there's the flood watch I mentioned all the way through Wednesday night. And that's it for me, guys.